Hi, Linda Kay here from lindakaysstampinpage.blogspot.com with my February 28, 2021 video to the collab I'm in titled Canned Paper Pumpkin. I'm in this collab with Paige, who is Stmpgrl here on YouTube, and the purpose of this collab is to use up the paper pumpkin kits that we're hoarding. Yes, I'm a hoarder. I hoard paper pumpkin kits and they're taking up too much space in my craft room and I have to make room for more. So I don't know what Paige is using for her paper pumpkin kit, and she doesn't know what kit I'm using, but I'm going to share that with you right now. I pulled out another oldie but goodie from November 2016. I have a lot of paper pumpkin kits to use up, but this is the kit, and it came like this with this cute little thank you by Stampin' Up for choosing their paper pumpkin kit, and had the blue tissue. And this kit's title was Wonderful Winterland, and you had all the products to create these 8 note cards, and you had the 8 envelopes. Now you can use these the way it's intended, or you could make an alternative project with this kit. It's your kit, you can do whatever you want. I personally like these small note cards to send to clients or put in gifts, so I made it the way it was intended this month. And this is all I have left. I have the Stampin' Spots, Pear Pizzazz, and Dapper Denim. Of course, this one's retired, but I'll still use it. I'll add it to my other Stampin' Spots. And I have the sequins. I didn't use these. I kind of thought they were too big for the card. The card's mighty small, but they're like 3x4. But here is the stamp set that came with the kit, and I can add this to my paper pumpkin stamp sets. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, with wishes for a beautiful season, and may your days be merry and bright, and then the houses and the trees and snowflakes. So by the looks of it, I'd say I can this kit, wouldn't you? Well, I'm going to show you the cards that I created, and then I want you to leave me a comment below and tell me if you think I canned it. So here are the cards, and it's pretty much the way it was intended. I didn't put the sequins, and the only additional thing I did is I am in love with this champagne shimmer mist. You add that with some alcohol in a spritzer from Stampin' Up, and you spritz it, and it gives it just the oh so subtle shimmer. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's gorgeous. And this was very dimensional. There's about 3 layers with mini dimensionals, and then this is vellum behind it, and that's how the inside looks. See how tiny that sentiment is? It was very tiny. But again, it created 8 note cards, and it has the matching envelopes in Dapper Denim, and I did not line those. I'm just going to leave those as is. If you're following any of my other blogs, you know I'm lining all my envelopes, but I didn't line these. I thought these were nice enough, and they're kind of heavy. So again, did I can this paper pumpkin kit, or did I can it? I'm going to say I canned it. Well, I'm going to leave a link to Paige's channel below and any other participants in this collab, and I encourage you to head on over to their channels and get encouragement from them to use your paper pumpkin kits. Don't hoard them, use them. Use them and send them out in the world and create joy to other people who get those cards. Well, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you hit that little notification button down there, you are assured of never missing another one of these marvelous videos. Well, catch you next month.